ano man ang sabihin nila, huwag natin yung pakikinggan. Basta malinaw sa puso't isipan natin kung ano ang ating hangarin, ang ating layunin sa buhay na ito, makakayanin natin lahat. Dahil tunay na walang imposible sa ating Panginoon. Iba-iba man ang ating kulay, iba-iba man ang ating mga lahi, iba-iba man ang ating mga kasarian, pero isa ang ating mga damdamin. Yun ay para sa kapayapaan. Kaya sana po, dito po sa aking susunod na awitin, sabayan niyo ako lahat. Sa lahat ng mga nakakaalam, magkakantahan tayo lahat. Okay ba yan?
Different voices, different choices. Some are mad, will others laugh. Some live alone with no better half. Not as mean, will not as curse. And none is born behind a big black hearse. And some are pure, and some are gray. And some are sober, and some are wasted. And some are rich because of fame. And some are poor with no food on their plate. Some stand out, while others bang. Some are flat and stout, while some are thin. Some are friends and some are foes. Some have some, while some have both. Pinakamalakas mga kapatid, let's go! Every corner, every youth is represented by me and you. Take life in this world. Take the left, take the right, and you'll fit right. Fit this world. In this kaleidoscope world. Ewan nyo mga kapatid. Some are great and some are few. And not as loud as some of them feel like the truth. Some say Paul and some do sing. And not as sing through the guitar string. Some know it all while some act dumb. Let the bass line drum to the bang of the drum. And some will swim, and some will sing. And some will find their mask, and some will think. Some will walk, and others run. You can't talk peace and have a gun. And some are hurt and start to cry. Don't ask me how, don't ask me why. Some are friends and some are foes. Pinakamalaki, some are some and some are both. Yeah. Everybody sing with me! Yeah. Spin round, make it twirl in this kaleidoscope world. Maraming salamat mga kapatid. Likuran. Kung pwede mo lang kayo puntahan at yakapin dyan, gagawin ko. Ano, huling chorus na mga pinakamalakas na kakanta. Let's go. Sabay-sabay tayo lang. Every